Hello everyone, my name is Manasri. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 31st July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are Law and Lawmakers, Patchwork Progress. We'll discuss the first topic from our editorial page in our today's video. So, before getting into our topic, let's have a small look on the second topic given, Patchwork Progress. Move to hasten insured bank deposits repayment need not have taken this long. Okay, so the move that was taken towards the bank deposits repayment, they need to have, or they need not have the long time to be taken. Okay, they have a particular time so they can fill in that, but what's the need to take a more long time, okay, to be insured to the bank deposits? The government hopes to bring in fresh changes to the 1961 Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation law in the monsoon session. After the cabinet nod this week, from savers' perspective, the most significant modification on the anvil is a 90-day deadline for the corporation DICGC to remit the insured deposits of customers in troubled banks. As per the plan, once the RBI imposes curbs on a bank, the clock will start ticking by the 91st day or thereabouts account holders. Okay, means the government, it hopes to give or to bring a new fresh changes to the 1961 the Deposit Insurance and the Credit Guarantee Corporation law in the monsoon session. So after the cabinet has taken in this week, so from the savers, it means the most significant, the modification of the 90 days. So the DICGC, they have got insured deposits of the customers in the banks, and as per going to their plan, once the RBI, they also have curbed onto the bank and the clock also started ticking that by the 91st day of all the account holders. So this is the topic of the second topic, and well, let's get into our today's topic, laws and lawmakers. SE is right in saying legislative privilege cannot be a cover for crimes in the house. Okay, means SC, scheduled caste. They were saying about the privilege. Okay, means what's the privilege here first? So privilege means advantage, perks, benefit or entitlement. Privilege means advantage, benefit, entitlement or perks. Okay, so this is meant by privilege, means so it is the correct or it is the right advantage which cannot be to be covered for all the crimes in our houses. Okay, in the house. The Supreme Court ruling that the legislative privilege cannot be extended to provide legal immunity to criminal acts committed by lawmakers ought to be welcomed for two reasons. It lays down the legislator's charge with unruly behavior that results in offences, and the penal laws cannot be protected either by their privilege or their free speeches. Second, the decision revives the rule law relating to a prosecutor's role in withdrawing on an ongoing criminal case. The LDF government in Kerala has suffered a setback as it strongly favoured the withdrawal of cases against 6 members sought to be prosecuted for creating a ruckus in the assembly on March 13, 2015 when they boisterously tried to interrupt the presentation of the budget presented by the erstwhile. Okay, well, let's have the meanings in this topic. In this para. Unruly, it means disobedient, rowdy, lawless, or wild or bulky. Unruly means disobedient, rowdy, lawless, wild, or bulky. Offenses: crime, felony, wrongdoing. Offenses means crime, felony, wrongdoing. Revives: recharge, bring to life again, revive or revival or recreate. Revives means recharge, bring to life again, revive, recreate. Prosecuted: officially charge someone with crime. Prosecuted means officially charge someone with crime. Ruckus, it means brawl, commotion, fuss or chose. Ruckus means brawl, commotion, fuss or chose. And boisterously, it means lively, actively or rowdily. Lively, actively or rowdily means to behave in a rowdy way manner. And erstwhile, it means former, old or past or ex. Erstwhile means former, old, past or ex. Okay. Legislative privilege and parliamentary free speech are necessary elements of a lawmaker's freedom to function, but it is difficult to disagree with the court's conclusion that an alleged act of destroying public property within the House cannot be considered essential for their legislative functions. It is indeed quite legal for Mr. Shivankutty to remain in office, as he is yet to be convicted. However, he will be well advised to take a cue for several recent precedents of those in ministerial positions stepping down until their names are cleared by the due process. Okay, let's look at the meanings. Okay, perspective, it means outlook, viewpoint or aspect. Outlook, viewpoint or aspect. Nod, signal, indication or cue. Nod means signal, indication or cue. Convicted, imprison, sentence, declare guilty. Convicted means imprison, sentence or declare guilty. And concord, it means agree, accord or consent. Agree, accord or consent. So this is our today's topic. Thank you.